Welcome back, treasure hunters. So I have a couple auction items I want to go over with you, and I also have the Superbox, and this is the Platinum Edition. It says it's Series 8, 52 of 99. This is from Sportscards.com. It's a lot smaller than the last one that I got, but hopefully there's a lot more value in this little package. So if you want to see my auction items, I only have 2 of them. Plus, if you want to see me open this Superbox, then just keep watching. So the first thing that I want to show you that I got from auction is this Back to the Future 2 diecast DeLorean model, and it is signed by Michael J. Fox, which is pretty cool. They had I got this from Pristine Auctions, and they did have they had a bunch of Back to the Future stuff. They even have like the replica self-lacing shoes that Marty McFly wore in the movies that were also signed, but I mean, those obviously fetched a lot more than just a little die-cast car. This does have a Celebrity Authentics hologram here with the serial number, so you know that it's legit. And it is wrapped in this plastic from Pristine Auctions, so everything is mint condition. I picked this up. I think total with shipping and the premium and everything else was like $315. But these are selling on eBay, even without like the serial number and all that stuff, selling in like the $600 to $1,000 range. And then the ones that are verified are selling for more. So I don't expect this to sell super quick or anything, but I think for $315 all in, it's a really good investment. So even if I don't sell it right away, I'm not going to really drop the price. I think over time it will, be definitely worth the investment initially. So the second thing here I got that I'm going to show you, this is actually a canvas painting, and it's original. And I'm holding it up because it is pretty big, but it did not come in a frame. It came rolled in a tube. So this would need to be framed, but I really love cars, and I thought this was really cool. It's an original oil painting. It's done by Rodney Wang, and it's a Ferrari 250. I got this for, I think the closing bid that I won was $21. And then with shipping, and the tube wasn't expensive, and the premium was really low. So it was like $32 or something. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I really like it. I thought it was really cool. Again, being a car lover, I just kind of thought it was an awesome piece of art. If I did sell this, I probably try to find some sort of glass frame to put it on that already has the matting in there. But given the size, that might be a little difficult, like at a thrift store. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with this, but his work does sell, in the couple $100 range, especially if it's framed real nice. So I'll probably just hold on to this given the price was really low and I like the painting. But just another auction buy I got. All right, so here's the Superbox that I got. You can see it's from Sportscards.com. It's a Series 8 that they did. It's a 2020 football Platinum Edition, 20 plus cards, and they have the high grade PSA, RPAs, Hall of Fame, autos, and more. So, and up here you can see 52 of 99. So I'm not really sure what this is going to entail. I think I won this one a little bit more than the other one I got. I think I won this for $210. And I think everything with shipping and the premium was around $250. or something. So hopefully, I don't know. I like the last one I got, so hopefully, and you can see here, hopefully it's worth it. But this one, see, I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna break this seal open and see what's inside. So right off the bat, there's a couple. This one is a signed, another, I got Larry Little last time, but this is Larry Wilson. It's a signed Canton Hall of Fame, says class of 78. It's got a signature here. And then Tony Dorsett also signed. So that's pretty cool. Tony Dorsett was a really good running back for the Cowboys before Emmitt Smith got there. So these are both pretty cool, both authentic, and both have a signature. So that's a cool little bonus for you to open it. Thank you for being a loyal customer. First one we see here is a Mint 9 89 Topps Dan Marino, who is one of the best Hall of Fame quarterbacks that ever played. He had the record for passing yards until Drew Brees broke it a little bit ago, but it's a pretty cool card. Not exactly sure on the worth. Here we have a 1996 SPX Steve Young. Not really sure. This is a Mint 6. I don't know if this is, I don't know. I'm not familiar with this card, so kind of cool though. It's got like a hologram to it. Young's also obviously a Hall of Famer. Here's a 1976 Dave Almendorf. This is a Mint 9. I am not familiar with him, so that's something I'll definitely have to look up. And then we have a 2000 Upper Deck Tom Brady Mint 9. And 2000, this is a Tom Brady rookie. So that's pretty sweet. Obviously, Brady is arguably the best quarterback to play the game. And this is graded Mint 9. And I know since Brady was a 6th round pick, he wasn't drafted like, some of the, like Peyton Manning was number 1 overall. Brady was in the 6th round, last round. So he doesn't have a ton of rookies out there like some of the other quarterbacks, but I don't know. I know he has a couple different rookies, but that's really cool. Brady rookie, already graded by Beckett. So that could be worth a good amount of money. I'm not really sure. We have a Fred Arbonis. This is a strange looking card just because how tall it is. You can see the difference in size here. I'm not familiar with him, but this said he was voted most valuable player in 64. So maybe this is 65. I don't know. Then we have a Ted Hendrix. This is a signed card. Upper Deck. Not super familiar with him. Next we have a Loubrosa, which is pretty cool. He played for Cleveland, and this is signed. And it says Lou Groza the Toe. That was his nickname, Lou the Toe Groza. So that's a pretty cool card. Not sure if it's going to have a ton of value or anything, but for someone that lives in Cleveland, it's a pretty cool card. Next here, Len Dawson. He's a Hall of Famer. Played for the Chiefs. This card's not in great condition. You can see some discoloration, and the corners aren't perfect or anything, but this is obviously an older card. So still pretty cool to get an older card from, you know, a Hall of Fame quarterback. I'm just going to pull all these out since they're in. These, they're not graded or anything. We have George Mira, Bobby Hunt, Andy Robustelli, Jerry Cornelison, and the list goes on. So, I'm not exactly, I'd have to look these up. I mean, a lot of these I'm not exactly familiar with. But they're older cards. There's an old brown. So that's, and then there is this is it says 1995 game worn jersey swatch from Steve Young. And it's authentic. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if this has a ton of value or whatever, but definitely kind of a cool piece to have. It says for more info, jersey breakdown, pictures and authentication, and it's got like a serial number. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I used to love to watch Steve Young when I was younger. Him and Joe Montana. I really liked the 49ers like every other kid in my class. Them and the Cowboys were always going after the Super Bowl. So that's a cool little piece there. And it's got a little insert from the actual, I guess, the game worn jersey from 95. So that's it. It's a lot smaller. There weren't any packs or anything in this one, but I definitely think the best thing I got out of this was definitely the Brady graded rookie. Again, I don't know how much this would be worth, but this would be probably something that I would hold on to for a while until Brady retires and makes the Hall of Fame, which obviously he will. And then this should go up a lot in value from what it is, but I'll have to look this up. It's an upper deck Brady rookie. So that's it. That's the Superbox. I have to do some research on these because, again, I'm not super knowledgeable on any of the value of some of these cards. But hopefully there are some values that will pay for the purchase price of this box. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Stay tuned. I'll be back. I have some more thrift store finds to go over, and definitely the sales that I've made in the last week or so. I'll be making that this week. So good luck out there treasure hunting, and I'll see you in the next video.